Honestly, the whole thing feels like a post-apocalyptic tutorial. Guy pokes the ground, out drips crude goo, and boom, he's making asphalt. Depressing if that's what self-reliance looks like.
Depressing? I saw ingenuity. He turns raw earth into a drivable surface with nothing but sunlight and scrap tools. That's brilliant.
Brilliant but bleak. If we're mining tar by hand just to keep potholes closed, civilization's taken a dive.
Or maybe we're finally shedding the gigantic diesel rigs and showing what a single human can accomplish with renewable heat.
Renewable? He's roasting barrels over open flames half the time. Smoke everywhere. Not exactly zero carbon artistry.
But the core heat source is the parabolic cooker. Fire's only the booster. It's a hybrid, like a backyard Prius. Give him some credit.
Credit noted. Still, the setting screams scarcity. Rocky wasteland, improvised lab glass, buckets for pipes. Feels like the last chemist standing.
I call it a sandbox for innovation. Constraints push creativity. Who knew sunlight could distill bitumen?
Sure, MacGyver would clap. Yet I can't shake the thought that we've retreated from industrial scale to campfire scale. Regression, not progress.
Regression? The final road patch looked solid, and he added a QR code splash of color. That's progress with personality.
Cosmetic flourish on a Band-Aid fix. Next rainstorm will test it. Got umbrellas for that optimism?
Maybe, but small batch asphalt means communities could maintain roads without waiting for big budgets. That's empowerment.
Until the natural seep runs dry, then what? Drill deeper with a spoon?
Natural seeps replenish slowly. Besides, it teaches circular thinking. Use what the land offers, waste little.
Circular? He's churning barrels and venting steam into thin air. I saw no capture, no byproduct plan, just messy backyard alchemy.
Messy prototype, first iteration. Imagine version 2 with condensers and biochar filters, open source infrastructure.
Open source potholes, love it. Download today, pave tomorrow, pray next week. Reliability matters.
We agree there. Durability is key. But you test, you iterate, that's how innovations mature.
Assuming resources and time. DIY tinkering can't scale to highways.
Maybe not highways, but rural paths, bike lanes, refugee camps, places forgotten by heavy industry. Scale isn't always mega, sometimes micro wins.
Micro can save a village, maybe, but it can also mask systemic neglect. Governments shrug, fix it yourselves with a solar mirror.
True, there's a risk of offloading responsibility. Yet, demonstration projects often shame officials into stepping up.
Sometimes. Or they just repost the video and call it community resilience.
Senec. Still, we both care about accountability. Let's say tech plus policy is the sweet spot.
Fine, partial truce. Tech proves what's possible, policy funds what's scalable. Happy?
Delighted! And admit it, you enjoyed the QR code finale. Little pop art on asphalt.
I smirked. It was quirky. Though if the code links to a crowdfunding page for more tar drills, I'm out.
Imagine it links to maintenance logs. Citizens scan, check patch health, report cracks. Data meets dirt.
Okay, that's clever. Citizen science in a parking space. I'll grant you a half smile.
Progress. See, pessimism and optimism can share the same road. Freshly paved, of course.
As long as the road survives winter. Deal?
Deal. Meanwhile, I'll keep rooting for sun-powered asphalt revolutions.
And I'll keep poking holes. Figuratively, not literally. Somebody has to test your shiny visions.
Fair enough. Together, we'll keep the conversation and the pavement solid.